my friend's house.
No, wait, you can't go. There's germs out there.
Daddy, I'm bored.
I got an idea. Let's do an experiment.
That's a great idea, Dad. Let's do it.
Let's go.
We have balloons and Mentos.
And we have sodas. Let's combine them all together and see what happens.
Okay.
What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna explode.
Explode?
Yeah, in the balloon.
Let's check. Okay, so we have everything set up for our experiment.
But before we get started, click that subscribe button.
And turn on your notifications.
And
give us a huge thumbs up. Welcome to Starr's Princess Show.
I'm Starr, and this is my dad.
I'm Hector.
And we are going to do a science experiment with soda.
Balloons and Mentos.
So we put the Mentos in the balloons. We are going to put all of the Mentos inside. It will explode and...
Explode?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't know it was going to explode.
But it will explode, and then it will explode in the balloon, so it will grow.
So all these balloons are going to fill up by themselves just with the soda and the Mentos.
Yes.
Are you sure? Have you done this before?
No.
Okay, well, let's try it.
Dad, let's see what colors we have before we do it.
Okay. What colors do we have?
We have red,
Rojo,
orange,
naranja,
yellow,
amarillo,
green,
verde,
and blue.
azul.
Let's get started.
Okay, so we'll do this one first. Oh my God! Wow! I didn't know it was gonna do that. I thought it was gonna explode for real. Okay, so let's do the next one. The first one was a little scary.
This one's gonna, I think this one's gonna... That's so big.
Which color do you think is gonna fill up the most?
I think it will be this one because it has a lot. It looks like it's gonna fill up the most because it's kind of big.
You think so? All right. The red one's filling. Okay, so you ready for the yellow?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yep. With a carbonation. Whoa! You want to do these last two?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the bottle and you put them in there.
Okay. Here I go.
That's what it seems like.
Oh. Oh no. It's growing.
Hold the bottom, hold the bottom. It'll pop off.
Whoa.
You might have been right about the green one. It's getting huge. Okay. So we have one more left. The blue. Hold it and you put them in there.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. That looks like a person.
I think the blue one got the biggest.
Yep, and now all the soda is going down because all of the soda, it has bubbles inside, so it pops and then it goes down.
So, you thought the green was going to be the biggest. Which one was the biggest?
Blue.
Azul. Yep, that was the biggest one. That's pretty cool. Rojo.
Red.
Naranja.
Orange.
Amarillo.
Yellow.
Verde.
Green.
Azul.
Blue.
So let's learn our colors in English and in Spanish.
Okay.
Red, rojo, Orange, naranja.
Naranja.
Yellow is amarillo.
Amarillo.
Green is verde.
Verde.
And blue is azul.
Azul.
Very good. And we have how many? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where did you learn how to count in Spanish?
I didn't learn. Thanks, Daddy. That was so much fun.
Of course, Starr. This is a great experiment to do at home with your kids, to keep them busy and to have a good time. So join us next time when we do our next experiment.
At Starr's Princess Show.
Bye!